Meat production is increasing globally. This is going to lead to an increase in the generation of meat byproducts. Meat byproducts can be a challenge for the environment, and blood is one of the most challenging ones. At the same time, there is an increasing demand to find renewable sources for the generation of biodegradable plastics in order to replace petrol-based ones. Through the use of a new technology that we have developed here in Teagasc, we are able to address both of these issues at the same time. Firstly, we are able to recover the proteins in blood, and we can use them as building blocks for new type of materials. Secondly, these new materials can be used to replace petrol-based plastics in the food industry. This is very good for the environment. Blood-based bioplastics are food-grade, are renewable, and are degraded in soils in less than 3 weeks. Although more research is needed, we have demonstrated that this meat byproduct can be used as a green solution for the food industry, and this is a win-win situation.